Hey, it's Chris Choe. Here's your market update in a minute, reflecting on last week's news. In the broad economic news, a recent Fed survey showed the economy held steady in early January. Some regions experienced modest declines in activity. Prices for the wholesale goods and services fell sharply in December, providing another sign that inflation is beginning to ease, though still high. Hence, the rates are still staying in the high fives and sixes. December's retail sales fell by the most in a year, and business equipment production slumped, indicating the economy may be losing momentum. This is another indicator to the economy's momentum alongside the service industry's performance. Now, for your housing news, home builder sentiment posted an unexpected gain in January, rising for the first time in 12 months. Single-family home building rebounded with an 11.3% increase in December. However, total new home construction fell for the fourth straight month. Mortgage application volume jumped nearly 28% for the week, with purchase apps rising 25% over the previous week. Now, the quote for the week is Benjamin Franklin: "Well done is better than well said." Amen to that. Hope you have a great and blessed week.